Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are going to talk about Prestige Fernleaf, an upcoming premium residential project by Prestige Group located on the ever popular Sarjapur Road in East Bangalore. If you are looking for a home that offers modern living, excellent connectivity, and a great long term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So, let's start with a quick overview of the project. Prestige Fernleaf is a premium residential development spread across 3+ acre of prime land on Sarjapur Road, and the project features over 350 thoughtfully designed apartments across two elegant high-rise towers offering spacious 2 and 3 BHK homes. One of the biggest highlight of this project is that over 70% of the development is dedicated to open green spaces, creating a peaceful environment while still offering all the comfort of modern city living with contemporary architecture, beautifully landscaped garden, and thoughtfully planned amenities. Prestige Fernleaf promises a premium lifestyle for families as well as investors. Talking about the location, so Prestige Fernleaf enjoys a prime address on Sarjapur Road, one of the East Bangalore's fastest growing residential and IT corridor. From here, you get excellent connectivity to major IT park, business hubs, schools, hospitals, and everyday conveniences. Wipro corporate office is just 2 to 3 minutes away. Outer Ring Road can be reached in around 15 minutes. Electronic City and Belandur are both approximately 20 minutes away, while Whitefield is around 25 minutes away from the project. Sakra World Hospital is about 20 minutes away, and Kempegowda International Airport can be reached in approximately 30 minutes away. And now let's talk about the amenities. So Prestige Fernleaf offers a wide range of lifestyle amenities designed for residents of all age groups. You will have access to a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, yoga and wellness studio, beautifully landscaped garden. The project also comes with 24/7 CCTV security. And now let's take a look at the apartment options. So the 2 BHK plus 2 toilets apartments are 1150 square feet with the prices starting from 1.38 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK plus 2 toilets homes offers 1500 square feet of spaces and starts from 1.79 crore rupees onwards. If you are looking for something more spacious, the 3 BHK plus 3 toilet residences are 1800 square feet starting from 2.15 crore rupees onwards, and there is also a premium 3 BHK plus 3 toilet plus home office configuration with a 2000 square feet of space priced from 2.35 crore rupees onwards. And talking about the position, so it is expected by 2030. And Prestige Fernleaf stands out because of the trusted developer, prime Sarjapur Road location, excellent connectivity to Bangalore's major IT hubs, spacious homes, over 70% open green spaces, premium lifestyle amenities, and a strong future appreciation potential. Whether you are planning to live here or invest for the future, this project offers an excellent combination of comfort, convenience, and long-term value. So, for brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.